Hi kids, welcome to our channel आओ कुछ नया सीखते हैं. Today I will tell you how to draw a bird from the letter B and how to draw a flying bird with number 3. Look at the board. Draw a big B like this. Okay. Now we will draw beak of this bird. Like this. Okay. Draw a line from here and join it to the tip of the beak. Now draw eyes of your bird. Very nice. Now draw tail. Okay. Now we will draw its legs. Done. Now you can draw branch. Like this. See, this bird is sitting on a branch. Now I will tell you how to draw a bird which is flying in the sky. Draw 3. Now draw another 3 larger than this 3. इस 3 से बड़ा एक और 3 बनाएंगे. Now join it here and here. Okay. Now you have to make one more 3. Join it here. Now we will draw head of the bird like this. Draw its beak and eyes. Okay. Now do shading over here with your pencil or your color. See, your bird is ready to fly and this bird is sitting on the branch. Now we will write down name of the bird. Write down the spelling of bird. B I R D. Bird. Thank you.